A car park is open from 9 AM to 6 PM. 5 Part A. Number 1. 80 cars enter between 9 AM and 10 AM. 1/4 of these cars are silver. How many silver cars enter between 9 AM and 10 AM? So we need to work out 1/4 of 80. So using our calculator, we can either do 80 divided by 4 is equal to 20, or we can use our fraction button on our calculator, which is the 1. It's the button that goes A, B, C, 4, and then times by 80 will give us the answer of 20. So 80 divided by 4, there are 20 silver cars. Part 2, 115 cars enter between 10 AM and 11 AM. Kim says exactly 1/4 of these cars are silver. Show that she is wrong. So again, if we try and work out 1/4 of 115 cars, that she's saying exactly 1/4 of the 115, we can do that with 115 divided by 4, which gives the answer 28.75. Or again, we could use our fraction button, which is the button ABC button, 1/4 times by 115, again would give us 28.75. So she is wrong because the answer is not an integer or a whole number. Is not an integer. An integer is a whole number. So 5 Part B. A data logging machine counts cars entering and leaving the car park. The first column gives us the hour ending at. The second column gives us the number of cars entering, and the third column gives us the number of cars leaving. Part 1. The car park is empty at 9 AM. How many cars are in the car park at 10 AM? So we're just looking at the first row here. So at 10 AM we've got 80 cars entering and 5 leaving. So 80 subtract 5, at the end of the hour we're left with 75 cars in the car park at 10 AM. So our answer is 75. 5 Part B. Barriers stop cars entering when the car park is full. The car park is full at 12 noon. So at 12 noon the car park is full. So how many cars are in the car park when it is full? Well, if we look to see how many cars enter before 12 o'clock, and if we subtract the number of cars leaving before 12 o'clock, that will give us how many cars there are when it's full. So entering we have 80 plus 115 plus 75. There are 270 cars entering. And leaving, there are 5 plus 25 plus 40. There are 70 cars leaving. So the number of cars in the car park is 270. Subtract 70 is there are 200 cars in the car park when it is full.